Are you a manufacturing company trying to solve challenges, but experiencing difficulties in navigating the world of Industry 4.0 smart factory solutions? Are you looking for vendors that are most suitable for your industry, factory size, and use case? Industry studies show that manufacturers who work with the right vendors are far more successful in achieving their goals faster. We built i4verse.com for the manufacturing community to learn, explore, as well as find solutions and vendors easily. On i4verse.com, you can learn about the latest technologies and trends in smart manufacturing, so you can make informed decisions as you mature in your digital journey. Explore a comprehensive list of solutions and vendors online in one place and save significant time and expenses on attending several trade shows. Request personalized recommendations to find best suitable vendors. Just fill out the online form and tell us your problem statement or solution you are looking for, and we will recommend the most suitable vendors to you. Visit i4verse.com today and streamline your path to a smarter, more efficient solution and vendor discovery.